Welcome to qnawire.
If you were asked to rank the following hydrogens as which one is going to be the most acidic to the least acidic, so for this, let's remember that first of all, the acidity depends on the pKa, and some of the values are quite common. For example, for inorganic carboxylic acids, the pKa is of around of COOH, and it's going to be approximately around 4. The pKa, for example, for an amine group, for an NH2 group, in this case it would be of an NH3 plus group, is something around 9. Sometimes it varies a little bit depending on the number of substituents and the species that you have around. And in general, what we can say is that the pKa's for single bond, so for example, carbon carbon H H H, for carbon double bond carbon H H, and carbon triple bond carbon hydrogen, is going to have the following trend of pKa's. For the first one is around 50. This one is going to be of around 40 to 45. And the last one for terminal alkenes is going to have a pKa of 25. That means that the acidity is going to increase with the more hybridization that we're going to have. So an sp3 carbon is going to be the least acidic, sp2 a little bit more acidic, and sp3 least acidic, sp2 somewhere in between, and sp carbons are going to be the most acidic out of all of them. So with this, the ranking would be, first of all, we're going to have our carboxylic acid. Next up, we're going to have our amine group. Next, we will have an sp3 carbon, sp2, and finally sp. So from most to least, the order would be 2, larger than 5, larger than 4, larger than 1, larger than 3.